berpelayu ni yang jingke kijongan dan kebanguan bersyat dengan hapu dengan nega madan hapu additional sepertian ngapen pau ke jing snow men ke bakrau bat ke jing snow Iaka gubernur ni ha ke bakal snow kala sngat ya jing kerpat kijongan kijing dawa kijongan da ke bak ngala yo Iaka acuran ka biang ha ka ba nagalian jung sarkar kila ai kat gum ka jingkwa ka junga kublai subun bat hakane ka por nga pentip sya baro kinong krisyan ki junga ki badon hapo junga ne ka shillong nang ta ki bana we ru hakane ka sni ngan we ya kane ka Jingshah Thngan ka junga bat ngan let sibet hadu banda khamil ngan dang ap kino ki bakwa ban ya kendu ban nga ngan ap be hakane ka jaga pits no ba ban wan hine ngakwa ban ai ka jing kublai kti pi kublai subun kublai ya pi bara ha ka banung kong nga pen pau ka jing sngu ka bakrau yau blai ha ka baulai lam yanga ha ka jing yai lenti ka junga nadu ka khat sau tarik jong banai baladep banai me hadu ka ne ka sni ka bamanta kani ka sni ka bamanta ka dai ka sni jong ka jing job ka jonga ha ka jing yele rengkat ka jing krisyan do bat met bat mensim ka jong pi yanga ha ki ne ki kniat sni ki baladep na nga ai ka jing kublai ka ba kerpang ya pi wei pi wei ki ba ai ka jing krisyan ka barat ba hak kam ki jam ki jonga bat nga pen pau ka jing sngu ka ba krau ya ka seng HYC ka ba penbet penbiang ya ka jaka tia ka jaka sa ka jaka syong ka jonga kublai shibun kinong yalam jong ka HYC ki balaya rap yanga ya ki jing dan kam jonga ban penbiang hakiliang baro ublay nang karku ya ka seng ka jong pi ba pinang roy sya perang ba pinang la banyakit ya ba ya ka lengkor yangi ki para khasi para do para senam bat kumjoro nga ai ka jing kublai ka bakarpang ya ka hito ka balaya rap ya ki jing dan kam ki jonga hagi babun bat kumjoro ka kop nang ta ki RBYF ngamla ban najer kertang baro ki seng ki jong pis ngau ba ma bianga ngamla ban jer kertang ki te ka e ka banga nga kwa banong pi kublai shibun ublai un karku ya pi ba pinang la ban trei ha ka imlang ka salang hapo ka snong bat ka thain ka dong ka jungi ha ka ri bat ka jet ka bandriu ka jungi baro ka wei te ka ne ka por ha shwa bangin poi ki wei ki banta ban ya krem ngas ngau ba ban pentip syapi bana kaliang jong minister o ba prestun tonsong ula ai yangi ya ka jing dan kam bat ka jing dawa ka jongi kat kum ka jing kwa ka jonga kat kum ka jing dawa ka jonga u ba prestun uklam da pen ruam baro ki jing dawa jonga ula ai kane ka dei ka jing kerku ka jong ublei na ka banta ka jing yam ka jonga ha ka ba ki nong yalam jong ka jela ka bai ka jongi kilapan sneu ya ka jing kerpat ka jonga kum ka kentei kum ka long kemi ka bom dan nei ka bom dan ukhu jahaying badan ukhu jahaying ki breu henrei nga pen pau ka jing sngu ya blei bola don rengkat ban nga leng ba ki jing duwai ki bari ki jonga lembat ki jing krisyan ki jong pi ki jing duwai jong pi wei pai wei ha ka ba ki nong yalam ki jongi kilapan snap ya kata ka jing kerpat ka jonga ki jing dawa ki jonga te khnang ba ka ne ka por shwa ba pintip ya ka jing shisha nga kerpat ya iba kerbong malai bayan sngu ba bonwan sya Khmat ban Pule ya ka ne ka agreement ka jing yatho yatar ka jongi ka jing yakut ka jongi bat u minister jongi
upgradation of Nongpa Umdan Salapur Road length approximate 59 km is proposed to be taken up under NESIDS roads and PMGSY 3. Operation of Nongpa Umdan Road 20 km is proposed under NESIDS roads to be funded by MDONER Government of India at an estimate amount of approximately 52 crores only. The road is proposed to be of intermediate length, and the item of work proposed includes earthwork, subgrade protection works, construction of CC drain and pipe culvert, pavement works and road safety. In March 2024 itself, the Ministry of Donor had prioritized the 20 km stretch of the Nongpa Umdan Road in the budget allocation. The project was delayed due to ensuing MP election and model code of conduct. The detailed project report, the PR is under preparation and will be sent to the planning department by the end of this month. Subsequently, the planning department will forward it to the Ministry of Donor through NEC Secretariat for necessary action. Further, extension from Umdan to Benian, its surrounding villages along the road is approximately 39 kilometers in length have also been proposed under PMGSY 3 with an estimate amount of 50.95. The proposal has already been uploaded onto online management monitoring and accounting system OMN-MAS of PMGSY. The meeting Power Committee on the Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India for sanctioning of the scheme is likely to be held shortly. These two projects will be positively taken up within this year 2024. KK Mawa, Secretary PUD, Government of India.